Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you one more program on character library functions. Write a program to Java to input a letter. If it is uppercase letter, then encode by its next fifth character, otherwise encode it with third previous letter in the ASCII table. Okay, so what it is given you supposed to enter a letter. Okay, that may be uppercase letter or that may be lowercase letter, but the thing is that when you will enter the letter, afterwards that letter will be checked it is uppercase letter or lowercase letter. If it is uppercase letter, then it will be going to print next fifth letter. If it is A, you have entered capital A, then after fifth position which letter is there, A, B, C, D, E, then F is going to be printed. So if A is 65, my ASCII value is 65, then 65 plus 5, that is 70. So which letter is having 70 ASCII value, that letter is going to be printed. Here one more thing I want to say, and if it is lowercase letter, then you're supposed to see that if it is C, then it's supposed to print before that three letters, that is A. So what is the idea behind this? How to change your ASCII values by adding or subtracting the ASCII any of the numbers. So here one thing, if I am going to enter W, then after that what I am going to get as a capital letter? There is no capital letter, but what value that W is carrying, with that value 5 will be added, and whatever is the letter for that ASCII value, that is going to be printed. For example, if I am going to enter anything like X or Y or Z, when I have taken Z is one, Z capital letter value is 90. So which letter is having 5 plus, that means 90 plus 5, 95 is having that ASCII value, that letter will print. That character may be a letter, or that character may be a special sign or some numbers, like that it may be possible, because every character is having a ASCII value. So if I am having 95, then I have to find out 95 what is the ASCII value, and that letter is what is the ASCII character for that 95 ASCII value. So I will find out and I will print. So for that, first I will start with import java.util.asterisk, and then class, maybe I am going to print the letter, so I am going to write print letter, class letter, then public static void main. I am not writing anything. You can write string args. If you will not write string args, then also it is going to be run, your program will not give any error. So scanner.in is equal to new scanner system dot in semicolon, and afterwards you will take a character type data, so char ch. Okay, afterwards I am going to enter a character, so I will write system.out.print ln enter a character. Okay, so how I am going to enter? Ch is equal to in.next dot caret 0. So my character is coming to ch. Now I will check if this C will be capital letter, character dot is uppercase, ch is equals to true. If it is true, then what I am going to print? I am going to print the value of after adding 5 to ASCII value, which value is there for that the character. So I can write here ch is equal to ch int ch plus no, I'll not write this. I will take one integer variable, that is maybe a is equal to int of ch. Int of ch means whatever character is there in ch, that is going to be converted into ASCII value, and it is going to be stored here, this plus 5. Okay, this plus 5, and then it is going to be printed system dot out dot print. What it is going to print ln or print, that is char of a. That means this one I am going to give the conditions to the instructions to the computer, that if character is in uppercase, then you add that ASCII value 5 to that ASCII value, and whatever the ASCII value is there in a, for that character should be this ASCII value should be converted into character, and that is going to be printed. So because two statement I have written, I supposed to give the give one curly braces, and then if it is not in uppercase, then it is I will know that it is in lowercase maybe. So I will write else if character dot is lowercase ch equals to true. If it is true, then a is equal to int ch minus 3, and then I will print system dot out dot print ln char of a. This one is next character, either if is uppercase or it is in lowercase, and if it is not, that means it is not a letter, then I can print that system out println sorry, it is not a letter. Letter means neither it is in capital letter, not it is in small letter. Maybe this one is something else. Something else means it is a character or a special character or blank space or something like that. So this is the statement what you are going to write in else part. First I will check for uppercase. If it is in uppercase, then I will convert that ASCII value into that character into ASCII value. Then I will add 5, and in next line I am going to print that for that adding value which one I have added ASCII value, for that the character. Okay, might be it is lowercase, might be it is capital letter, might be it is small letter or something, whatever ASCII value is having the letter, that is going to be printed. Otherwise it will be checked for lowercase. If it is lowercase, then it will be going to minus 3, and then whatever the character ASCII value is there, for that it is going to print the character. And if it is neither uppercase not lowercase, then it is going to print the message system out println and sorry, it is not a letter. So this is your one program. Now I will give you another program, one more program also.